On the 27th of December 2018, Damien Hines, the Education Secretary, challenged schools to eliminate their use of single-use plastics by 2022. Why is this important?
Single-use plastics are contaminating our environment, particularly the oceans, but anywhere in the environment, because they don't break down, they don't degrade. So plastics are really difficult to break down. They take hundreds of years. And what's happening is they're tipping a lot of plastic into the oceans. And what happens is these plastics then, if those single-use plastics, you know, the really thin bags and things like that, things like turtles, they think that they're normal food. So things like jellyfish and plankton, those are what turtles eat. They eat the plastics and then it kills the turtles. And then whales, they eat the plastics and it kills the whales. So the filter feeding whales are being killed. But the most dangerous things that plastics do are they break down into what they call microplastics. And microplastics are microscopic pieces of plastic. And then things like plankton, they filter the water and ingest these microscopic pieces of plastic. And then the next thing on the food chain that eats those also ingests the plastics. And the plastics become concentrated the further up the food chain you go.
Do you think we can accomplish it?
If we want a planet that's got lots of life on it, and it's a beautiful place, and we're only ever going to have one planet, we need to look after it. And at the moment, we're not doing that. We can all play our part.
We understand you're a diver. Have you ever seen any negative effects of pollution?
Yeah, lots. I've seen things that have, so I've seen whales that have died, unfortunately. I've seen animals that are struggling with the plastics. I've seen plastic bags on coral reefs with turtles trying to eat them. So we're really, we do, when you see it firsthand, and divers do, it makes you think about it.
Has your experience as a diver encouraged you to be more aware of the dangers of pollution?
One of the things I try to do on every dive is if I find anything like plastic, an old plastic bag, a fishing line, anything, I try to bring it out of the water with me. So I'll roll it up, put it in my pocket, because I like to think that I've left the ocean and the sea a little bit cleaner than when I got in.
How can schools in Delta Academy Trust make a difference?
Two things, I think. One is we can stop using plastics, because we use a lot, so that'll make a big difference. So we do our bit. The biggest difference is you guys, because when you guys understand why we shouldn't be using single-use plastics, you can go and tell everyone else and get other children to stop and publicise it. And when you grow up, hopefully you'll live in a different world because you will have decided to change it.